Howdy, YouTubers and vloggers. It's me, Mark Jr. Welcome to my spot. For today's vlog, we're going to be going ahead and reviewing and giving feedback on Star Wars Legion's Luke Skywalker, the Return of the Jedi version. When you first receive the kit comes pretty bare and pretty plain. I actually have a mold line remover that I could use to remove some of the lines and seams. But at the moment, they aren't too bad, so I'm going to go ahead and skip that process for now. Thankfully, I had it there just in case. Okay, so now, I have Luke here with a couple of Warhammer figures that I was going to prime, and we're going to use Wraithbone to go ahead and give Luke a nice, solid primer coat. With the coat applied, we're going to use the following paints to go ahead and apply all of our colors. We shall start with Abaddon Black. With the base applied, we shall continue applying bases until eventually all of the bases will be layered on. Most of, if not all of the colors I have shown will be used on the model. Here are a little bit more base coating applied to several parts of the Luke Skywalker model. I also added in a few more paints. Luke is now fully based, and with the addition of Mac Grag Blue, we now have a classic looking Luke Skywalker model miniature figure. Here he is assembled and glued with Citadel's plastic glue. I especially admire how I painted him to look like a classic Star Wars Return of the Jedi action figure released from Hasbro or Mattel back in the early 1980s. With Agarex Earthshade and Seraphim Sepia, we have added our first layer of washes, and I have also applied a little bit of layering of paint, plus the base as well, with some texture paint. With the addition of a few colors, we shall go ahead and fine-tune the surface of the base to give it a little bit more of a Tatooine look. Now with Luke mounted, he appears very realistic, now sporting his final layer of paints. His lightsaber features Lupercal Green, but we shall go ahead and use a different technique to highlight its glowing feature, with some Beetle's gel polish. After applying one coat of Beetle's gel polish, we now have the nice lightsaber effect that every tabletop needs for your Star Wars Legion board top game. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the feedback and comments that you all leave down below.